Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install VLC media player in Windows 10. Type VLC download in browser search bar. Click download VLC media player for Windows. Click download VLC. Open File Explorer. Open download location. Open VLC setup file. Click OK. Click Next to continue. Click Next to continue. Click Next to continue. Click Install. Click Finish. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.